A group of hikers sets off into a sprawling forest, unaware of the mysteries that await. As they wander deeper, the map becomes an unreliable guide, portraying landscapes that defy logic. In this bewildering place, gravity seems to have a mind of its own. Trees bow and twist in ways that challenge the very nature of perception. Time dances unpredictably as the sky swiftly shifts from day to night and back again. Emerging back into the ordinary, they carry with them stories of an extraordinary journey beyond the boundaries of reality.